Welcome back to my channel Learning Maths with Namita. In our previous video, we have learned addition with regrouping or carrying, right? So I gave some additions to practice, right? Now in this video, we'll solve them together so that you can cross-check your answers and the process as well. So first sum that we were supposed to do was 79 plus 43, right? So first what we'll do, we will write it in column representation. Okay, so we have 79 and we have 43. Okay, now when we do 9 plus 3 we get 12, right? And it is a two digit number, so it also has two place values, right? What do we do then? The ones digit we write here. Okay, so this 2 will be written here and this 1 will be regrouped to next place value. So it will be written here. Now 1 plus 7 plus 4. Okay, 1 plus 7 plus 4 gives us 12. Again, 2 we will write here and 1 will be carried forward to the next place value. But here we see that in hundreds place we have nothing. Both are two digit numbers, right? So we can assume 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 will give us 1. So 79 plus 43, the answer is 122. 100, 2 tens and 2 ones. Clear? Now coming to the next addition, 106 plus 28. Let's do the same with this also. Okay, so we will write 106 and 28. Okay, so 6 plus 8 gives us 14. So 4 will be written here and this 1 will be regrouped to tens place. Now 1 plus 0 plus 2 gives us 3. Yes, and this 1 will be written like this only, right? Because here we have 0. So 1 plus 0 we get 1. So 106 plus 28, the sum is 134. How do we say it in expanded form? 100, 3 tens and 4 ones, right? All right, now we'll do the third addition, right? Okay, let me move it here. Okay, so in column representation we will write it like this: 999 plus 251. Okay, now 9 plus 1 gives us 10, right? So 0 will be written here, 1 will be regrouped to next place value, which is tens, right? Now 1 plus 9 gives 10, 10 plus 5 we get 15. Again 5 will be written here and 1 will be regrouped to the next place value. 1 plus 9 we get 10, 10 plus 2 we get 12. Or you can write 2 like this, 1 is regrouped to next place value, but here we have 0. So 1 plus 0 we get 1, right? So upon adding 999 and 251, we get 1250. And expanded form we have 1200, 5 tens and 0 ones, right? So you can see in this addition we have multiple regrouping, right? Here we had only one digit regrouped and here we have multiple times regrouping happen. So the process will remain exactly the same. Okay, nothing changes. The number that you are adding may have 2 digits in it, may have 3 digits, it might be a 4 digit number or a single digit number. Don't worry how many digits it have. The process will exactly be the same. All right. Now, some tips to keep in mind, okay? While you are doing addition, you always have to be very careful with these things. No matter how easy or difficult the addition is. All right, just let me adjust the size. Yes. So first is always, always start the addition from one's place value. Okay, from one's digit. Means from rightmost digit, from right to left we move while doing addition. Okay, what's next? Don't forget what the regroup digit, right? Sometimes while adding we skip the regroup digit. Okay, and it happens with everyone, so no need to worry. Just be mindful of these tips. Okay, don't forget to add the regrouped or carried digit. Okay, and the third one is that make sure make sure that you write all the digits in their correct place value. Okay, in their correct place value, because that matters a lot. That will change the whole game of addition, right? So be mindful of it, and you will always get the correct answer. Okay, so no need to worry, no need to be scared of the numbers. Numbers are beautiful and addition is easy. Okay, let's make it fun. Thank you so much. Bye bye.